if you see Qin sometimes in the chart and you're talking about, hey, what is the relationship of this particular question, right? And it will tell us like, you know what? Qin also signifies mistakes, right? If we see something like, okay, so now we can relate like, so if ever there is a mistake, what are the other stuff that we also have to look at, right? And then of course, based on the health aspect, right? This is also represents as chest or even spicy. And then Ren is the yang water. If you talk about quantifying what Ren yang water is, like if you look at the ocean, right? It's big. And it's vast, so that's what Ren signifies. So, ocean is clear, right? Unlike with lake or even the pond, those are muddy, right? So Ren presents clear and it presents movement, and it's really fast as well. If you think of an ocean, right? It moves fast, and it actually have a constant action that relates to. In health-wise, it represents urinary, salty, and sometimes emotional. When you have like emotionally wise and behavior, you see Ren means that person is either some emotional issue if we talk about behavior of an individual. And then the opposite of Ren is the Kui, which is yin water. And this is the one that's dirty or muddy, right? If we have the ocean, if you look at the lake is really stagnant, right? It's just stuck in there, and oftentimes it will water accumulates into the lake. It's not moving. It may come out if there's another flood, but most often that signifies it, right? And then it is in a health perspective, we call it as signifies as kidney or water retention. Yi, wood, which is the wood. If you remember, Jia is the young wood, right? Yi is the kind of female version of it. It also signifies as women. Of course, TCM physicians. It's a winding path, zigzag, or wavy tubes as well. Being represents as like fire. This fire is huge, right? Because of the yang, active, and it's passionate. And if we talk about relationship, this can signify as a third party relationship, right? With men. And so it's for health wise, we also talk about it as an eye or small intestine in those relations. The opposite of being, if it's a big fire, we have a small fire. The ding, right? Small candlelight or probably quantify